What is the fetch, decode, execute circle? The fundamental process by which, or it is the fundamental process by which a CPU processes instructions. Also ensures sequential execution of tasks in the program. Okay, so we now move on to the first stage. And with the first stage, we start with retrieval or retrieve the next instruction from memory. The program counters, that's the PC, holds the address of the next instruction. And also the CPU sends this address to the memory unit through the address bus. The instruction is also fetched and stored in the instruction register, which normally terms as the IR. And with the next, that will be the PC is incremented to point to the next instruction. That's for the fetch stage. And moving on to the decode stage, that will, for its purpose, which interprets the fetch instruction. So I have 4 steps so far. The first step is the instruction in the IR, which is the instruction register, is decoded by the control units, which also term as the CU. The second point is the opcode, which is the operation code, is also identified. The third point is operand, or the memory addresses are retrieved if necessary. The fourth point, or the last point for the decode stage, is the CU generates control signals for execution. Yes, that's it for the decode stage. Now moving on to the execute stage. Its purpose mainly carries out the operation specified by the instruction. There are 5 steps for that. The first step is the control unit activates the required CPU component. The second is the arithmetic or logic operations. That's the arithmetic logic unit. Processes the data. The third point will be data is moved between registers, memory, or I/O devices if needed. It's also the result is stored in the target location. And the last point will be status flags are updated. Yeah, so that's it for the execute stage. Thank you for listening.